Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a brand new episode of Cup TV brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. Today we're going to look at a gorgeous kit from Carol Smith and the cup number is cup 859818_1209 and it's called the 8x8 From One Old Bird to Another mini kit. You get 5 sheets in the kit. You get a card front for an 8x8 square card with the insert and the decoupage. You get a gift box, a gift card and matching envelope. I've got to say, I'm not supposed to say when I have a favourite, but this truly is a favourite, especially from one old bird to another. This is a comprehensive mini kit like no other. It's fun for all the ladies. And we've got a lot to get through because I want to show you all of it and how to make the gift tag, the gift box and everything. So let's go. The first thing that we have on our 5 sheets is our 8x8 square card front. And this is where it says happy birthday from one old bird to another. Right up my alley is that. The second sheet is our decoupage of this gorgeous looking bird. Next, we've got the insert for the inside of our card. Next, we have a mini card and the matching envelope. So you could use this as a mini card, you could use it as a gift tag, you could use it to coordinate a person's gifts together. It's just such a great idea. And then lastly, we've got a gift box. Again, you could put the person's gift inside, you could put a nice surprise in there. And first of all, we're going to make the gift box. Now, Carol's included all the score lines that you're going to need on the actual sheet through the actual tabs for the box and the sides. And I simply use an embossing tool and my trimmer. I put it over, you know the trimmers have a little groove in them, so I use a groove to actually score the lines. So I've scored it all and I'm going to turn it over so I can see it myself, and I'm folding up one of the sides and it's the side that Carol has wrote glue onto. I'm going to use my bone folder to make sure that's a nice sharp crease, and then I'm going to just peel a little bit of the tape away. I'm then going to fold over the box and marry up the edges, and then once I'm happy that the edges are married up, I'm going to hold the box edge down with one hand and then pull away the tape top while still holding it down. There we go. And then I'm going to turn the box over. I've already scored the sides, but I'm going to stick the bottom section now. So I've already scored the bottom, and I've added tape as well. I'm just going to fold the tabs back so you can see the inside tabs. I've got tape on the bottom of these, so I'm just going to tear away the top of the tape on both sides of the tabs like that. I'm going to press them down and fold over the base, the full base flap. Again, I have tape on that, so I'm going to tear away the top and then turn over the fourth side and press down. And then I'm just simply going to press in the sides, both sides, and then turn over the top. And that is the cutest little, I call it a gift box, gift bag. and you could fit so much in there. Nice treat for your friend. Nice treat for an old bird, eh? That's what they'd say. And that is going to coordinate with everything else. So next we're going to move on to the mini envelope. I've already cut out and folded the mini card. Now the envelope, again, I've scored along the edges. I'm going to just turn it over, and I've added flat tape just along the two outer edges at the bottom. I'm going to pull the tape away, and it's only thin tape because it's only going to catch the very edge of the actual envelope flap. I'm going to use my bone folder to make sure all the creases are nice and sharp. I'm going to turn up the bottom of the envelope, press down, and then I can peel away the top of the tape from both sides, and then I can fold the envelope top over, use my bone folder again, and that would be ready for my mini card. Now obviously if you're going to post it, I would just add a little bit of secure tape to the top of the actual envelope, and then, you know, it's a bit more secure. So we can put that with our gift bag. Next we want to make the large card. So for the large card, I've got an 8 by 8 inch square white base. I've already cut out the insert for the card. I've got flat double-sided tape on the back, so I can peel the back of the tape away, and I'm going to add this to the insert inside of my card, like that, and then press it down. What a great insert. Then we can create the front of the card. Now the front of the card, I've got the main card base. Again, double-sided tape on the back. Take the carrier sheet away from the tape and add this to the front of our card. And press that down. There we go. Now we can start adding our old bird layers. So the first layer is the largest layer. I've cut it out and I just think she's beautiful. She really is. The expression on her face, she's gorgeous. 3D foam on the back, and we just place her over the previous layer on the card, marrying up the design, and press it down. There we go. Our next layer is slightly smaller than our previous layer. 3D foam on the back, and again just marry up the design on the front of the card like so, and press it down. And then our last layer is that beautiful face, 3D foam on the back, and we'll just pop her over the previous layer. There we go. And that's our card finished. We've got our gorgeous insert that matches perfectly to the card. We've got our mini card and mini envelope. And then we've also got our mini gift bag. And just seal that with a little bit of tape at the top. You could fit jewellery in there, chocolates, anything that anybody might like. Just such a beautiful collection. I'd like to remind you of the cup number, and it's cup 859818_1209, and you can see any of Carol's designs by looking at the Craftsuprint website and looking for Carol Smith. I would just like to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.